Hi, welcome friends. Welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see an easy and a simple but spicy non-veg recipe, mutton biryani. Let's jump to the recipe. For that, in a pan I have taken half kg of fresh mutton. To that, I'm going to add half spoon of turmeric powder, 2 spoons of chili powder, 2 spoons of curd, Kashmiri red powder half spoon, ginger garlic paste 2 spoons, salt that is required for the mutton. Now we are going to just mix all the masalas well with the mutton, and we are going to just marinate and rest it for half an hour before preparation of mutton biryani so that the masala's flavors get well soaked in the mutton. So we have kept the mutton to rest with masalas. Now in a pressure cooker I am going to pour 5 spoons of refined oil. Let it be groundnut oil or sunflower oil. To that I am going to add 2 spoons of ghee. After the oil and ghee is well hot, we are going to add 3 medium-sized pieces of cinnamon, 2 Marathi mukku, 1 star anise, 4 clove, 3 ilachi, and 1 spoon of fennel. Now I am going to add 2 to 3 bay leaves, so here we have added all the spices in the oil. Now we are going to just fry all the spices till the flavors of all these get well absorbed in the oil. After that, here we go with the onions. I have chopped 3 big size onions. You can cut it long like this and can add it to it. After adding the onions, I'm going to add 2 green chilies. You can also add up to 3 green chilies and 3 spoons of ginger garlic paste. After adding the ginger garlic paste, we are going to just saute it till the raw smell of onion and the ginger garlic paste moves off. Sauteing also help in enhancing the flavor of the biryani. So sauteing is a must. So after this, I'm going to add here 2 tomatoes. You can add 3 tomatoes also if you expect a bit of tanginess from the biryani. Just saute it till the tomato turns mashy. So now after all these, we are going to add the herbs. 1 cup of pudina and 1 cup of coriander leaves. These herbs help in the digestion process, so it will be well and good if we can add more. Now here I am adding the salt which is required for the rice. Don't forget that we have added the salt in mutton also. So be well balanced while adding the salt. So now we are ready to just add our marinated well spiced mutton. Here I am going to just saute the mutton for a minute. As the mutton is very tender, I am not going to overcook it. I am adding 1 glass of water for the mutton to cook. After adding water, here I am just going to Cook the mutton for 4 whistles in medium flame. So after it's done, be sure let the pressure settle. Only after that we are going to check the consistency of the mutton. If you can see here, the mutton is 3/4 cooked. After it starts to boil again, we are going to just add 4 glasses of water more. I have taken Siraga Samba rice as it is very special for its digestion process compared to biryani rice. I have soaked it for 15 minutes and drained the water. Now the water that we have added to the cooker has started to boil. Now I am going to add the well soaked Siraga Samba rice. When you're adding this type of rice to the biryani, you always feel light. No wonder that you have taken a non-veg. So now if you can see, the water has boiled, the rice has started to raise out. It's the perfect time to close the pressure cooker and cook it for 1 whistle in the medium flame. So now it's done with the whistle. Here we go. Our delicious, simple, oilless and easy mutton biryani is ready. It is very easy to prepare here. No wonder that kids will definitely like it. Here we have added well balancement in the spices and the oil, so the more flavor problem will not be there, the digestion problem will not be there. And compared to other type of non-veg recipes, this recipe will always have its own taste and own savor. Finally, I have added half spoon of lemon juice from 1 lemon. If you can see here, the meat here is well cooked. The rice is well cooked without not sticky. So please do try this mutton biryani recipe at home with the same rice, or you can also prefer the rice you choose for preparing this recipe. Please share your comments in the comment section. Subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut channel. Press the bell icon without fail so that you would receive all my videos through notifications. Stay connected. Happy cooking. Thank you.